In the slide, we can see use of acoustic signal by the oil and gas industry for seismic surveys for mapping the presence of oil and gas at the sea bottom. The acoustic thermometry of the ocean, or the ATOC system developed by the US, was another use of sound in the undersea domain for basically monitoring the change in temperature. I mean, their claim was for being used to monitor the global warming. The marine mammals also use sound, or what we call biosonars, for finding food, or as it is called, foraging. They transmit and they receive the returns from the potential prey, and then they chase them. The different species in the undersea domain have their different unique vocalization, where they use different frequency bands, and their use of sound is very specific to the species. The marine mammal vocalization is highly structured, and here we can see the humpback whale vocalization, which has a very structured format, and that is quite similar to the musical notes that we are aware of. This is a very interesting case of bubble feeding by humpback whales. Typically, what they do is they go down to the bottom and release water bubbles in a circular format, which acts like a bubble net. The prey gets trapped into that, and as they keep coming up, they feed on them. Here we can see that different noise sources have their own unique frequency characteristics, and also the marine species, they have their hearing ranges in different frequency bands. So wherever there is a matching between the source sound and the receiver sound, we find that there is interference, and that's what is acoustic habitat degradation all about. Here we can see the first picture on the left. It's a 40 feet blue whale which was stranded in May 2015 south of Mumbai. The second one is a 50 feet bride whale which was stranded off Karwar coast. These two have been studied by us, and it has been found to be attributable to the anti-piracy operations carried out since 2009. There have been a complete shift in the shipping lanes or the shipping traffic, and that has resulted in a massive disturbance to their migration pattern, and we have started seeing them getting affected and getting stranded off our coast. The third one is 90 pilotless whales stranded in Tuticorin. We are yet to study in detail, but this was a very, very massive stranding of 90 whales off a single coast.